Hey community, it's Dr. Yu coming at you again, and today what I want to go over is what I'm going over as a lifestyle, is what I would say the autoimmune paleo lifestyle, or the AIP. Just so you know where this comes from, the A is the autoimmune, A stands for auto, I stands for immune, and then P stands for the paleo. So autoimmune paleo lifestyle. So when clients come to me, you have to start eliminating foods. This is very, very critical. I also have another video on being in a state of ketosis, and I'll put a link below that. So one of the things is when people come to me with a chronic condition, whatever that chronic condition is, you need to do at least the autoimmune paleo lifestyle. So let me go over that. If you click this button right here, this is in the blog. So if you go up here and you would hit the blog, and then you can just come down here and hit AIP, Autoimmune Paleo, and it's going to pop up right there. So that's it. So you're going to want to download this PDF. This is a really, really good PDF. I've searched high and low to get these products here for you guys. And again, this isn't my content. This is the PhD right here. But this is a really, really good guide. It talks about autoimmune disease, why you want to do the AIP diet, the autoimmune paleo diet, what you want to avoid, what you can and cannot eat. So this is a really, really good guide that you want to get on board and start learning and reading if I recommended this kind of lifestyle. I like to call it lifestyle because, you know, this lifestyle, I try and eat a paleo lifestyle. So let me just kind of clear up some confusion here. There can be the autoimmune paleo diet, which we talked about right here. Then there can be the paleo diet. So, you know, just for terminology, there's the AIP, the autoimmune paleo diet, which is more restrictive, and then there's the paleo diet, or I hate diet, right? It's lifestyle. So here's another picture. So the AIP right here is you're going to be eliminating 99% of the foods that most human beings are going to be sensitive to. Now, when I mean sensitive, I mean it's going to be causing some kind of problem in your body, like you're chronically inflamed, you have GI problems, you have brain fog, you have fibromyalgia, you have GI problems, you have acid reflux. I mean, it goes on and on and on, what these problems may be causing in your body. So then we have the paleo diet, or the paleo lifestyle, and you can eat nightshades, nuts, seeds, and coffee. The biggest thing with the AIP diet is you're eliminating basically nightshades. So let me go into this because this is a really great PDF right here. So basically on the autoimmune paleo diet, you're eating meats and vegetables. That's pretty much it. Now, you don't have to do this forever, but one of the things is when people come to me, they're really chronically sick. And we want to start off with the most aggressive, I don't know if it's to say aggressive, the most clean diet, the most clean lifestyle, the most purest lifestyle to decrease your inflammation. Because if you have problems, you are chronically inflamed. That's just period how it's going to go. So in the autoimmune paleo diet, what you want to do is you want to eliminate all the things that I talked about here, and you also want to eliminate nightshades and lectins. So people can be very sensitive to lectins. So for example, lectins right here are in, let me just blow this up. Lectins are in bees, chickpeas, lentils, soybeans, almonds, cashews. So you're eliminating these things from the diet. And why is that? Because down here you can see, let me just move this over a little bit. You can see the immune reactivity to lectin. So lectin is a protein that's in these vegetables and seeds, and this can cause autoimmune reaction. You can see autoimmune reaction and increased inflammatory response. So we want to eliminate lectins, and then also we want to eliminate nightshades. So you kind of get some terminology down. These are all the nightshades that have been shown to cause inflammation, and people can be inflamed to them. So you're like, oh, like white potatoes, like you can be sensitive to white potatoes or to eggplants and have no idea. Or, you know, you're just eating these foods here and you have no idea that these are, you know, that they could be causing food sensitivities, especially like seeds and nuts. A lot of people is, I'm gonna eat almonds, I'm gonna eat cashews, right? But then you're actually sensitive to those things. So that's really the goal of the autoimmune paleo lifestyle is to eliminate these food sensitivities. Now here's some other resources here. If you hit other, this is the AIP Food List, which I think is just another really good visual things that you can, things to avoid right here. So you can see all these different grains and glutens on the AIP. You're eliminating corn and oats and seeds and all these things right in here. But now, if you start to get healed up, then what you want to do is you want to go more on what I would call the paleo lifestyle. And you can Google paleo lifestyle, paleo recipes. There's a lot of different things out there. So I'm either going to recommend to start with is the AIP, the Autoimmune Paleo Lifestyle, or the ketogenic lifestyle. So let me just briefly, really quickly show you that because I just made a video on that. So if you just hit keto here, keto, and do the search right here, and then you can see this right here is the most robust diet that you can get, is actually getting in a state of ketosis, which means you're burning fat and not glucose. So anyway, hope that you found value in this. Give me a thumbs up, like the station wherever you're listening to this, and take care. And remember, is where there's help, there's hope.